Most people fidget all the time. For instance, the clicking of a pen, tapping a fingers on a desk, shuffling in a seat or beating a rhythm with their feet. And of course, everybody loves popping bubble wrap. Did you know that when you fidget, it actually can aid your concentration? Cognitive law theory tells us to think of the brain like a computer processor. When too much is going on, the brain can't focus. So, to offload some of that stress, the brain triggers our fidgeting. So, fidgeting can help us to relax, relieve stress, concentrate, and even learn. Meet Fidget Gadget. This is a small device created for fidgeters, designed to be kept with you at all times. Small enough to be carried either in your pocket, handbag, or attached to your keys. It will bring you enjoyment.
Four and a half years ago, when my son was born, I didn't realize how active he would be. He is always on the move. He loves to learn, but has a short attention span, and will not sit in for place for any length of time. I decided to come up with a toy for him that would take away some of his energy and calm him down. It turns out that this gadget has its uses for adults too.
The Fidget Gadget is the new generation stress ball. You can click it, you can twist it, and you can even use it as a key holder.
Really funny, I like it, it's convenient to keep in hands.
You can spin, roll, click, switch, and roll in various ways. It will really help fidgeters to relax, relieve stress, concentrate, and learn. Fidget Gadget features include button to replicate the top of a pen, a mechanical wheel that rolls like a cigarette lighter, a satisfying simple on-off style switch, 3 buttons to click, a split yet tactile clicker on the edge, 2 small round balls that are great to rub your thumb between, and of course also click. And our favorite part is the rotating dial, which moves with the mechanical wheel either clockwise or anti-clockwise, and again has a satisfactory click when pressed, a magnetic clasp that will be easily attached to a keyring, bracelet or lanyard.
In a time where the world is moving faster and faster, it is sometimes hard to take a break and to let go. We tend to forget that it's often the small and simple things that make us happy. Coming home after a long, stressful day, we all need to recharge our batteries. What else would be better to relax and to unwind than bringing back the simplicity of your childhood by watching spin toys overwin gravity? Also, simply having fun with your friends and loved ones is very precious in these hectic times. We have created Spinner Spinballs, the fastest spinning toy on this planet. A fascinating spinning toy reinvented in an elegant way. Spinner Spinballs are made from 2 solid steel balls spot welded together. We have used industry-leading coating technology and materials for a perfect spinning experience. Exposed to light beams, spinballs also create fascinating light effects you have never seen before. Together with our smart spin base and its integrated smart controlled LED light, you can create your very own light shows by using the Spinner's iOS and Android apps. We could spend hours exploring all the different light effects and colors which can be created by this wonderful toy. We have spent more than 10 months with developing, designing, testing and prototyping to bring this toy to perfection. We have looked into every detail and we have been working hard together with our suppliers to to ensure only the best materials are used. The result is an amazing and exceptional toy for spin lovers and everyone else who is fascinated by the simplicity of light and speed or wants to bring back childhood memories.